So here we are again at Owl's Head Transportation Museum, and when we got here, the guy attending the parking lot literally saved our spot for us because we come so often. He's like, I wanted to make sure your van had a spot that it would fit in, so he saved a spot for us. Super awesome people here, all the volunteers, all the workers, and of course all the cool cars and trucks. You got to see this. We're currently riding in a 1920s bus. It's like a Model T bus thing. Has 18 passengers. I gotta get in one. Cool vehicles. I don't know what that thing is, but it's pretty cool. It looks like a four-wheel drive, big winch. Cruising in the Model T bus. Big family style.
World War I fighter plane, so we're heading down that way. Why don't you come on down and make your way down that way? And just hit down flight level. Oh, that's crazy journey about 5 minutes. Okay. Back here, it's flying. Take off. We'll talk about it. A great example of workshops here at the museum. One of our volunteers for work they're doing. So head on down the flight line. On the flight is back.
Look at that. It's like a coal hauler. It's a coal truck, yeah. Oh, there's a plane coming in.
Other planes going up. It's on the runway.
Now that's a trailer.
I like it.
I was just saying, I saw that one this morning.
Hey, Daddy.
Why did trucks this year with air the year before?